There's typically two reasons why your sales teams have up and down months. And here's what it is. First of all, the first reason is they don't have a defined sales process or structure that every single rep in the company follows. It seems like all reps are just saying different things, they're asking different questions, they're winging it, and they're more personality selling rather than having a step-by-step sales structure of exactly what questions to ask and when and how, that if you have a bad month, you can go in and see what they're missing, what they're doing wrong. If they're just personality selling and just winging it on all the sales calls and everybody says something different, you have nothing to compare that to. You don't know what to fix in their sales process. That's the first reason. And that's an easily fixable reason. Now, the second reason is your salespeople are not practicing income producing activities day in and day out. You have to block out times with your salespeople. They know from 8 to 10, they're doing this. 10 to 11, they're doing this. When they have a defined process, which on their calendar every single day is income producing activities. They only check their emails maybe twice a day, maybe 3 times a day. You get a lot more production out of your sales team. Change those two things. Give them a defined sales structure that actually works with human behavior, would actually help you sell more. And the second thing is block out their calendar day in and day out with income producing activities like prospecting, following up, outbound, inbound leads, whatever your industry requires. Do those two things and you won't have to have bad months.